got a problem with my car, and my alarm is working, but my sounder is not working. Really, when you arm and you disarm, you can't hear any sound. But I will just show you now. I will open. You see the light goes on, but there's no sound. And how to check it, what's wrong with it? And for me, I think it's my sounder. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to check it. You ready? Okay, now I've got my sounder here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to open this cable. And there's not much play with, and I'll just try to open this cable. You got your on your sounder, you got your red and your black cable. Your red is always the positive, and your black is always a negative. What I'm going to do is I'm going to split it a little bit so that we can separate it, and I'll just do a small opening here on the cable, pull the cable a little bit so that my crocodile clips can sink. And just a little bit with a carpet knife, just pull a little bit. Okay, and then I'll do this one also a little bit, just to get open. And now what you need is you need a multi-tester, and you put your multi-tester on VDC and get yourself 2 crocodile clamps. So I got my crocodile clips, and I put one on the black and one on the red, which the wire is already peeled, and I will just put it on my probe on my tester. Quickly put this on my set. So the black, I'll put it with the black probe, okay, and the red, I'll put it on the red probe. And what you will watch here, because right now it's not showing you anything, it's not showing you that there's normally you should have 12 volt. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to arm that the car, and I'm going to set the alarm off, and we see what happened to the multi-tester. As you can see, the alarm already activate, and it's giving me 12 volts. That means definitely the sounder is faulty. So you can see here it's 11.12, between 11 and 12 volt, and the sounder is not working. So definitely it's tell you that the sounder, there's a problem with the sounder. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to change the sounder and check if really it's a sounder that is faulty. So I will deactivate the alarm. Okay, I deactivate the alarm, and everything went back to normal. I got a new sounder, and I'm going to show you how to change that old sounder with a new one. So first of all, get your cable, your positive and your negative, you cut it off, and get the red one off. And what you do is just peel it. Make sure you peel it properly. Okay. Make sure you peel it properly so that you can make decent contact. Okay. And make sure don't mix your red and your black. So got my red and black already split and peel, and I'm going to just look for 2 clips. Yeah. Okay, for my 2 clips. And what you do is twist it a little bit, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it into the lug, and I'm going to crimp it into the ferrule. Sorry, I said lug. Into the ferrule, and I'm going to clip it open. Yeah. Okay. It's already. Red one. I'm going to crimp it now. It's already been crimped. Okay. Now, as you can see, your red and your black is separate, so you got to follow the same thing with your new sounder. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewind my sounder. Okay, make sure that you don't cut your cable that comes with your sounder. Leave it rather long than short, and make sure that your terminal, the black goes with the black. Okay, the black goes with the black. Then crimp it. Crimp it with a ferrule. Crimp it. Okay, it's better than solder. And we crimp it again. Red with red. Properly, and then you crimp it, and then okay, now our first try is we're going to arm it and see if it makes that noise. Okay, now I will arm it. Okay, it's armed already. I will disarm it. And I will arm it. You can see the alarm is working. So now we can reposition our cable, everything. And let me disarm it first. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to tape that wire. Tape that wire in such a way. And let me just get my insulation tape. And I'm just going to tape it. Give it more protection. Tape. Not too worried about thing, not too lot. Tape. Your connector and your connection properly. You got your tape, and then you can go back where your terminal was. Tape it. Okay, now I got a perfect connection, and what I'm going to do is now I have to somehow put it in position, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a cable ties to cable ties it in position, and put one cable ties here and hold it a little bit in position, and I'll get another cable ties
and in between and bring it back here, and I'll start to ties it and see, make sure that it's in. Okay, as you can see, it's already in position, and I'm just going to cut the cable ties a little bit to make it neat. Okay, and we'll cut this, and now the cable, what we're going to do with the cable, we're just going to knead the cable little bit. Okay, and then our cable ties it.
Then, there you go. Okay, as you can see, this was a problem with the car with the sounder. So we replaced the sounder, and the alarm is working properly. And there we go. Thank you. I think this will help you guys a lot. Thanks.